Now, if you know me, you know that I don't get along with dogs. Not all dogs, but you know, some dogs just really don't like me. I think it's because I'm a bit of a cat person, but we do have one very special dog. I've made videos about him before because he's just the smartest dog ever, and I love him. His name's Duke. He's an Australian shepherd. Won't focus, buddy. And let's go say hi to Duke. Oops. Oh, who's that guy? Who's that guy in there? Who's that guy?
Hey, Duke. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy?
Duke. Dookie. This is Dookie. Yeah. How you doing, Duke? Hey? How you been, Duke? I think Duke's from Calgary. Looks like he's got a little bow on you. Will you just get a haircut? Hey? Did you?
Duke. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Duke.
Duke is, yes. Hey, Duke. Yes, buddy. If I ever got a dog, I'd get one just like Duke.
You want a biscuit or something?
How about some, one of these? You want a chicken tender? Yum, 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 yum. Alright, Duke, I gotta go. I gotta go. Gonna say goodbye. Gonna say goodbye. Yeah. Yes, I am. Oh, you're gonna lay down. Yeah. Now, you want to see why I'm always a little bit worried about trees falling on me? It's another windy day. But look, all around me is nothing but trees. And that one back there looks pretty much dead. So is that one. And even this one. Which is right in front of the place. Look at that big fucker. He's way up there. So it's a good thing that it's not super windy right now. You know, something like that could happen. These are just little ones that came down. Branches, basically.